And we can go buy the fake drink too. Here's the bowling alley.
That big brown. Oh yeah.
Well, if we
Lower
go
Columbia Bowl.
if we go in front, it'll be white, as you can see, like from the film.
Oh, okay.
But then if you look over here, you can see a little spilled drink.
Yeah, see? That's the window.
That's
Did you see the picture of Chunk
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
there? So that's where he was at when he. And I think they even have the little Pepsi. See the Pepsi
Oh, on the
thing? Like
railing there.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Little old.
And a little fake pizza right there. That little pizza right there.
The van's sweet.
So was it a bowling alley in the movie too? Was it still supposed to be a bowling alley? Or
I mean, it must have because look how old that paint is on there. So it was probably a bowling alley. But
I just didn't know what it was.
There's arcade games in there still, like right
That's
back there.
cool. Oh, where the tinted window is?
Yeah, like a little further back.
So the car chase must have happened down here, down this road a little
Yeah,
bit.
they had it down like a bunch of different spots.
Yeah.
They had it right down the pier too.
What's that bridge called?
The Megler Bridge.
Yeah, the Megler Bridge.
The largest bridge in Estonia.
Ready to go find the shipwreck?
Oh, yep. It's
Oh, the one that's on the beach.
Yeah.
Well, what's the in the Goonies?
Oh yeah, One-Eyed Willie's treasure.
Yeah, One-Eyed Willie.
that's not one I will just ship, but
Willie's about to be.
oh, this guy's trying to sell birdhouses.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really weird abandoned place. And we're about to come up to it. Oh, here's Fort George's beer stuff. We have a giant brewery called Fort George, so
What is it?
it's like a giant brewery with
A brewery? Oh.
yeah, like with a bunch of beer.
Yeah. Oh, yummy. We should stop. Atomic Motel. Wow.
That looks
Love
We have
the
a-
name.
we have
That
a
looks
pig
like a
and
pretty
pancake.
fancy dancy
We have
hotel there.
a pig and pancake.
Bikers staying there. Bikers
But if we
welcome.
look right here, you can see a giant metal thing right there.
Oh, cool.
We're about to
See the whole
come up
bridge.
on.
Oh, yeah.
But there is a giant piece of metal.
oh shit.
Oh, wow. Some kind of construction. It's a pretty old town. A lot of old,
Yeah, it's pretty old.
neat old buildings.
I think back in like the 1800s, the whole city went up in flames.
Oh, no, really?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
there's only like a couple surviving buildings from that.
Aw.
When it's rebuilt, there is one building that's still around that survived the fire.
There is.
It's still here. It's still standing. It's just like the